Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is sweet, delicious and easy. It's very easy and simple. It's chocolate chip cookies. This time I'm making a gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, but you can substitute the gluten-free flour and gluten-free oatmeal with the regular flour because I'm using cup to cup flour. You can substitute the recipe for the regular flour or the gluten-free flour. This recipe it's really delicious. If you make it for your family or kids, they will love it. For the ingredients, I'm using a half cup of room temperature butter, 1 cup of flour. I'm using cup to cup gluten-free flour. That's for the people that have celiac or have allergy to gluten. For other people, you can use the regular flour. A half teaspoon of baking soda, 1¼ cup of oatmeal. I'm using here the gluten-free oats. 8 ounces of chocolate chip. I'm using 3 different kinds of chocolate chips. A half cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and if you like nuts, you can use a 3/4 cup of chopped nuts. That's optional. The first step, we take the KitchenAid and we cream the butter and the sugar together. For the half cup of brown sugar, you pack it really good with brown sugar. You cream it really good before that you start adding the other ingredients. And during that time, I measure my oatmeal, and I will blend it in food processor to become flour before that I add it to the mixture. Now after we cream the butter and brown sugar, I add the half teaspoon of vanilla extract and the 1 egg. We mix everything together. Also the baking powder, baking soda and salt. Now we add the flour, the 1 cup of gluten-free flour. This gluten-free flour is cup to cup gluten-free flour. Try to use the one that is cup to cup. And also I add my oatmeal flour and mix everything together. Now as you see, everything is mixed well together. At this point we will add the chocolate chip. I have 3 kinds of chocolate chips. I have the dark chocolate, milk chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. I'm using 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can use less or more, however you like it. And everybody like chocolate chips. I add it now and mix everything together. And that's it. My dough is ready to form my cookies. That's my cookie dough. I preheated my oven on 375 degrees. Before that I formed this cookies. I used my ice cream scooper, the small one. I press on the cookies. Before that I put them in the oven. I bake them for 10 to 30 minutes until it's brown and nice. Look at them, really good cookies. And if you are looking for a successful, a winner gluten-free cookies or chocolate chip cookies for people that have celiac or gluten intolerance, this recipe, it's a winner. It's a good recipe, delicious, very simple, and your family will enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy!